I'm Dr. Taiwo Aderinola, a lecturer at the Federal University of Technology, Akure, in Nigeria. So I actually heard about the call very late, but I'm so excited that I'm glad that I eventually applied, because initially I wasn't too, I wasn't really sure maybe I should go for it or not. But having been here, I'm really glad that I did, that it was one of the best decisions to make. So the application was quite simple, straightforward, and the experiences so far has been nothing short of excellence. So the program, including when we came, and the video editing, the blogging, and also that the fact that we have to interact with the local farmer and see how things were done and how they are able to make use of available resources was really commendable, challenging, and inspiring. So for me, I think the program is very valuable, because I also collaborate, although I don't work with farmer directly, but I also, in collaboration, I collaborate with farmer, and also because I'm also involved in production. I'm a food scientist. I also work in development of some local foods. So, and I think being able to capture what I do in a video, and it will help me to be able to present it to the locals, because most time we do all this research and we publish. People who actually need it cannot access. But if we're able to put it in a format, in a video, where I speak in the language they understand, I can relate with, or I even demonstrate how this local food could be, maybe new formulation that we have could be prepared, I think is something worthwhile, and which we promote my research work. So, and I also think the video editing in this regard also will be helpful for my students. I can also put them through, and even in my lecture, where I need one video, I can know how to modify the aspect that I need and for my lectures. So it's a very great opportunity that I'm happy to be part of. Thank you.